Imagine this. You wake up to the sound of the sea, have breakfast on a terrace overlooking palm trees, and your child is already running to the water park because today is a day of new adventures. Sounds like the perfect vacation, right? Then let us introduce you to Barut Goia Side. This hotel is not just a place to stay, it's a true paradise for families with children. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. Barut Goia is a breath of fresh air in the world of Turkish hospitality. Opened in April 2024 after a major renovation, it has quickly become a hit for those seeking comfort, coziness, and plenty of entertainment. The hotel is located just 1.7 kilometers from Sorgun Beach, and the famous ancient city of Side is just a stone's throw away. The hotel grounds are a true oasis. Well-maintained gardens, heated pools, a water park, and even tennis courts. But let's take it step by step. Let's start with the rooms. Spacious, bright, and with modern decor. They have everything you need to feel at home. Some rooms even come with a kitchenette, and the windows offer stunning sea views. A coffee machine, air conditioning, and a TV with satellite channels are just a few of the little touches that make your stay even more comfortable. And now, the best part. Breakfast at Barut Goia is a work of art. A lavish buffet with a variety of dishes, including vegetarian options, ensures there's something for everyone. Guests rave. The breakfasts are too good for someone on a diet. For kids, this place is pure heaven. Age-specific kids clubs, animation programs, and a water park with slides mean there's no time to get bored. And if you're traveling with a baby, the hotel provides everything you need. A stroller, baby monitor, bathtub, and even a potty. Guests are thrilled. Everything is perfect. Comfortable rooms, cleanliness, large pools, amazing breakfasts, and a special thank you for the kids' animation. The well-kept grounds, friendly staff, and quick resolution of any issues. The only downside is the lack of a pedestrian path to the beach, but the free shuttle solves that problem. Barut Goia is not just a hotel. It's a place where every detail is designed for your comfort. Here, you can relax, enjoy the moment, and create memories that will stay with you forever. Are you ready for such a vacation? If yes, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what impressed you the most about Barut Goia. See you in the next reviews.